In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Valorant on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, open your browser. For me, I use Google Chrome and search for this. Download Valorant PC. Click here, download the game, and click on download button. So once it's downloading, as you can see right now, click on install Valorant. Click on the file and click on yes to allow to install. And click right now install. And the process of installing the game it's began. So we have just to wait. Then guys, we have to allow this. And click, and right now we have to sign in. Or if we don't have an account, we have to log in and then click on install and click install like this, and it's began to installing our Valorant game. So I hope guys this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and also subscribe and